Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking beef bulalo. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have onions, garlic, sweet corn, salt and pepper, beef bouillon, peppercorn, olive oil. We have beef shank and beef ribs, string beans, cabbage, pechay or bochoy. So let's proceed to cooking. We cooked earlier the beef already, and this is tender now, and as well as the corn. So this won't take much long. In our hot pot, we're gonna put our olive oil. All right. As usual, gonna put our onions. Saute this for a minute. Our garlic. Saute this for 30 seconds. Gonna put our beef. Then we add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Let's say 3. Okay. Now we're gonna add our beef stock. Okay. Let's simmer this for the next 3 minutes. Check our beef. Right, it's not boiling yet. So let's put pepper, ground pepper. Okay, and we'll put the whole peppercorn. Okay. As you can notice, I didn't remove the bones from the spare ribs and the beef shank, because when you boil this, you know, it adds nicer flavor on the beef stock. So don't take the bones out. Now let's check on the bulalo. It's been boiling now for 4 minutes. Now this is the right time to add our corn. Like I told you, the corn is cooked already, so this is just a matter of warming it up. Okay. And to get the flavor of the beef, you know. All right. And we're gonna add our string beans. Okay. All right. And also we will put our jalapeño Okay. And also we'll add our beef bouillon powder. Okay. To add more taste. Right. And then we'll cover this and let it boil for the next 2 minutes. Okay. Let's check on the beef, the bulalo. I failed to mention earlier that I'll put malunggay leaves. Okay, so we'll put the malunggay leaves now, or we call this in their name is moringa. Then we'll cover it. Now we'll add our cabbage. Okay. All right. And we'll cover this for 1 minute. Let's check on our vegetables here. This is half cooked already, and this is the right time to put our bochoy. This will only take a minute, and after that our bulalo is done. And we're gonna transfer this in our serving dish. Now let's check on our bulalo. Yeah, this is cooked, right? We're gonna put this in our serving dish and see you in a bit. This is our finished product, beef bulalo. Let's remove the cover. Wow, look at that. Wow, it's yummy. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you and have a good day.